What else can you peel?
Orange.
And the thing you like to eat, the long and curvy yellow fruit?
Yes, yellow fruit. Yellow banana. What?
Stir.
Stir.
Or mix.
Mix. Bread. 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 Knead. Slice.
Chop.
Chop.
Chop. Chop.
Chop.
Dice.
Dice.
And mince.
And mince. Very tired. It's exhausted.
I remember this one. How about very angry?
Furious.
Very clean.
Spotless. Cooking Verbs. Please it up your pen. Put on my jacket. Sit up. Unzip. Take off my jacket. Sew up my sleeve. Roll your icy. Button up. Unbutton. I have my shirt tucked in. Stuck. Stuck. Tuck in your shirt.
Tuck in your shirt. Shoelace.
Your shoes. Sew up your shoes. Lace up. Unlace. Tie. Untie. Slip on my shoes. Off.
Slip off.
Slip off my shoes.
Forgot to zip their pants. What do you say?
Please zip up your pants.
What if it's not your jacket? You want to buy it, but I don't know if it fits.
Try on the jacket.
If you have new shoes.
I have a pair of new shoes. I need to break them in.
And then they'll be comfortable to wear.
Don't always say fit. What is this called? The milk is spoiled. Bread is stale. Cheese meat is stubborn. The cheese is moldy. This apple is rotten. These fries are soggy. The hot dog is burnt. Lettuce is slimy. The apple juice is fermented. Sometimes when food goes bad,
It smells?
it smells inspired.
Turn up.
Turn
Turn
up.
down.
Turn down.
The volume.
Pick up. Pick down.
Lock.
Lock.
Unlock.
Unlock. Go out. Come in. Switch on. Stretch off. Turn on. Turn off. Turn
Go.
on. Turn off.
Plug in.
Plug in. Unplug.
Unplug.